tutorial, we see about how our sample quiz activity, how to find already given, already applied the regression analysis. We want to find the parameters, what are the applied in the analysis. First, I want to check what is this font. This is called title. The title of this font is nothing but book Antiqua, and the font size is 20. What is the color applied in the font? The color applied in the font you can see in the format here. You can see here what is the color is applied. Color is, you can see here, purple. Clear or not? Purple is applied here. So this is a color of this particular chart title. So chart title, all the information we understood. So we know that what is a color, what is a size, what is this. Next one, there is two areas in the chart. This is called the outside the thing is called chart area. Inside is called plot area. So the two areas will come. Whenever I click here, you can see the plot area, format plot area is applied. So the format plot area, what are the things are available? Can you see here fill? In the fill, you can go and see what is called transparency, solid fill. In the solid fill, what color is applied? You can see here. Here I applied white background color. Correct. So suppose in the border you can go and see solid, what color is available? It is red color. The border is red color. So what is it? Width is 2.5. Can you see 2.5? Suppose if I want to apply any dashes, you can find any dash. Here we are not applied. That's why it is coming solid. And any transparencies is there, 0%, so it is not applied here. If it is there, it will show that also. Clear? So this is called border, fill, and water. Fill border color, and then the border color information and fill color information available in where? Format plot area. This is what our thing. Next one, format chart area. If you click itself, automatically it will change. Format chart area, right click or automatically it will. Solid fill, what color we fill here in the outside chart area? Yellow color. We can see if you want to confirm, you go and check it also, because yellow and orange always confusion. So this is what your color. Here you can see transparency level is 30%, and the border, what is my border, is solid line. Always check this green color, because there is two type of green. This is light green, this is dark green. Blue also 3. This is light green, blue and navy blue. 3 things is there. So always check. This is light green. Border is applied light green, and transparency level is 10%. Width is 8%. And if you want to see dash type, here also dash type not apply. If you apply, it will give like this, dash dot, like this it will apply. Clear? This is what the things we mainly see the things. Another important thing, what are the other parameters we want to see is, here you can click. Always data labels are there. Data labels is arrow mark by default. By default it is above only. By default what is coming? Above only appeared. Suppose I change right or left, like this you can see. Right, left, center or below, like this it will appear. Clear or not? Anything we can appear like this chart area. Next one you can see here. This is called trend line. The trend line you can see here, by default linear. By default what? Linear. If you see by default, here you can see power. I apply power. Suppose I won't select the trend line. This guy, can you see here the selection? This I am not doing. For example, I am not doing the trend line. I am checking the normal one. I am checking normal trend line. Here the trend line is there. I am saying format trend line. Can you see? If you select power, otherwise it will appear what? Linear. So mainly do the mistake is the student won't select, they will say linear. No, it is not linear. It is power. Select always this line. Otherwise it is appeared as a normal one. So that is a major problem of the linear identification. And this one. What is another one? Another one is called trend. This is grid line. What is by default grid line? The primary, major, horizontal lines. Otherwise if you want vertical line also. Clear or not? This and all the major part of the regression analysis. So regression analysis, how we apply, what we are doing in the chart is there. Suppose we want to know what is the y-axis value. Suppose here this is my y-axis value. Clear or not? We can go and find what is my y-axis value also I can identify. So this is what how to identify what are the things, what are the borders or weight or what are the parameters applied in the regression analysis.